Hello, welcome to Naomy Crochet and Lifestyle. Today we are going to crochet a scrunchie, and this is how it will look like. Materials to use: we are going to use Winter King yarn. It's 4 PLY and 50 grams. We are also going to use scissors, but it's optional. And then lastly, we're going to use a 3.5mm hook. To start, you're going to start with a foundation chain, and this is how you do it. After making a foundation chain, you will chain 60. This is 1, 2. Let's meet at chain 60. I have 60 chains. I will add 1, and then from there I will use a stitch marker, and because I don't have it, I'm going to use a different color of the yarn and remove your hook where your 60 chain is. You are going to insert it. So this one we are going to use it to tie. And now we are working chains for ruffles. We don't want it to be bigger. We want it to be this way, so that when you tie it on your hair like this is how it will look like. So that when you tie on your hair like this part will be on top. We are going to work ruffles on upper part only. So for ruffles, we're going to chain 30 chains. We have already chained 1, so this is 2, 3, 4. Let's make 30 chains. We have 30 chains from the stitch marker. Now you are going to chain 1 extra, and then insert your hook here, then put another stitch marker. After putting the stitch marker, now chain 60 chains like this part here. Remember these two parts, this and this one that we are going to chain, we are going to use them to tie. Let's meet at the end. This is 2, 3. Let's meet at chain 60. I have 60 chains. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut off the yarn and then secure this. From there, we are going to tie this like this. Ensure it is tight. And then you cut off your yarn. Do the same on the other side. Then cut off your yarn. Now we are going to work on the ruffles. And for ruffles, you are going to start from this side. Insert your hook and then remove the stitch marker. After removing your stitch marker, you are going to insert your yarn like this, and then you will chain 2. This is 1, this is 2. This is counted as a double crochet. We are going to go to the next chain you will yarn over, go to the next, make a double crochet, go to the next, make another double crochet, go to the next, another double crochet. Ensure you have that 30 double crochets because you are going to do it up to where your second stitch marker is. Let's meet at the end. We are at the stitch marker. You're going to remove it and then do last double crochet. Now from here you have 30 double crochets. You are going to chain 2. This is 1, 2, and then you turn your work. After turning your work, go to this very first stitch, make a double crochet. For this row 2, we are going to make 2 double crochets on each stitch. So for this, it is counted as 2 because of these 2 chains here. We are going to go to the next and then make 2 double crochets on the same stitch. This is 1, 2. Go to the next stitch, do the same. You are going to, this is how row 2 looks like, and for row 3 you are going to chain 2. This is chain 1, chain 2, you turn your work. After turning your work, go to this very first stitch, make a double crochet. Now for the next, make 1 double crochet. Go to the next, make 2 double crochets. This is 1 and then 2. So for row 3, this is how we are going to do it. You are going to make 2 double crochet. To the next, you make single double crochet. To the next, you make 2 double crochet on the same stitch. Go to the next, make 1 double crochet. Go to the next, make 2 double crochet on the same stitch. Let's meet at the end. We are at the end of row 3, and now for row 4 you are going to chain 2. After chaining 2, you turn your work, and then to this very first stitch, make a double crochet. For the next 2 stitches, you are going to make a single double crochets. This is 1, then to the next, this is 2. For the next stitch, make 2 double crochet on the same stitch. This is 1, this is 2. Go to the next, make single double crochet. To the next also, do the same. For the next, make 2 double crochet. This is the pattern for row 4. You are going to make 2 double crochet under the same stitch. Then for the next 2, you make single double crochets. Let's meet at the end. This is the end of row 4. For row 5, we are going to chain 2, turn your work. After turning your work, for this very first stitch, we are going to do a double crochet. So remember, for row 1 we did single double crochets. For row 2 we did 2 double crochets on each stitch. For row 3 we did 2 double crochet, and then for the next you do a single. For the next 2 skip 1, then continue the same pattern. And now for row 4 we did 2 double crochets, and then for the next 2 you do 2 single crochet. Then for the next you do 2 double crochet. Now for row 5 you are going to do 2 double crochet. For the next 3 you do single double crochets. This is 1, 2, then 3. Then go to the next, make 2 double crochet under the same stitch. I hope you have seen this pattern. It's so simple. Let's meet at the end of row. At the end of this row, I show you one more time. We are at the end of row 5, and now we are going to work on the last row. You can make it to be short like this or long, the way you want it to be. So you will chain 2. After chaining 2, you will turn your work, and then to this very first stitch you make a double crochet. Now for the next 4 stitches you are going to make single double crochets. This is 1, this is 2, 3, and then 4. This is how it looks like. And for the next you are going to make 2 double crochets under the same stitch. This is 1, then 2. For the next 4, do single double crochets. Then for the next, do 2 double crochet under the same stitch. This is the pattern you are going to work on, and for this you are going to finish it at row 6. Let's meet at the end. We are at the end, and this is how it looks like. This one you are going to use them to tie, and I love it so much. Thank you for staying with me through this tutorial. Ensure that you have subscribed so that you don't miss the next video.